Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make a spreadsheet on Google. Friends, if you want to make a spreadsheet, then you can create it very easily by using Google Sheets. So to do so, you need to open sheets.google.com on your web browser. Now to make a new spreadsheet, you need to click on blank spreadsheet. Now here it will open a new spreadsheet and from here you can give it a name. Now here you can use it as per your requirement. So friends, like this you can very easily make a spreadsheet on Google. Friends, this spreadsheet is available online on your Google Drive account.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.